Rise and shine, my friends. It is time to make protein-packed breakfast muffins. Let's go in the kitchen and get this party started. Today I'm sharing with you super easy, nutritious, and delicious protein-packed breakfast muffins full of healthy nutrients such as quinoa, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, goji berries, and oats. Let's get right to the recipe, shall we? To silpat pans. If you just have muffin pans, or muffin tins, traditional ones, that's fine too. It's all good. And with that, let's set our oven to 350 and let's get baking. This recipe is super simple, easy. Begin by taking your butter and oil and your sugar. Let's cream together. Mix in our flour and our spices with our baking powder and a little bit of soda. That smells good. 1 cup of oats. Now with our mix-ins, I'm adding in my coconut, sunflower seeds, and nuts. Feel free to change these ingredients out. If you don't want nuts, don't add nuts. If you want to change up the nut and put something different in, like a walnut or a cashew, that's fine, that's great. This is something that you can completely make your own. These are the dried cherries and chopped mango. And there's about 1/4 cup of each one that I put in for a total of about 2 cups. And I'll do pumpkin seeds. Actually, I'm going to save a few of those out because I'm going to decorate my muffins with those. As well as the goji berries. Oh, come on out. And my dates. And just simply stir those in, and let's grab our muffin pans. See how easy that was? In less than 20 minutes, you'll be eating one of these. I'm filling these about 2/3 full. As I said earlier, these actually make really good cookies. However, putting them in the muffin tins is just so easy. It's just set it and done. I like it. These are easy to freeze. Great to have with a cup of tea or a café con leche, cafecito, whatever. Yummy. Okay, I think this first tray is ready to go in. And actually, I find it a little easier just to scoop with my right hand and form them with my left hand. So I'm always keeping one hand clean. It's a little faster than the other way I was doing it. I'm gonna put a few pumpkin seeds on the top. If you have banana chips to decorate the tops of these muffins, that would be awesome as well. The dried banana chips come in the forms of either sweet dried chips or without the sugar. I actually prefer the ones without the sugar. They're a little round disc, obviously in the shape of, you know, the banana when you cut it. Pick them up at Whole Foods or something like that, online. All right, we're ready to go. Into the oven at 350. Frida and I want to thank you for joining us. We had a great time and we hope you did too. We're doing a selfie here. Selfies, I love you. Want a bite of protein? Yeah, she's not really on the go. She doesn't really need it. Have a beautiful day.